I welcome you back to this channel. Here is my base for this pattern. So right now I'm going to start off. I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So having chained 3, I insert into the second loop right here with triple crochet. So I proceed into the next loop, triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. And you see. So right now I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. I yarn over, I insert into the same loop at the base with triple crochet. Can you see? So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I yarn over, then I insert into the 6th loop at the base. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with triple crochet. So I chain 3. 1, 2, 3. I insert into that same loop, triple crochet. So I proceed, I chain another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I insert into the 6th loop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at the base with triple crochet. So I chain 3. 1, 2, 3. I insert into that same loop. Can you see? So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round up this aspect. As you can see, I've completed the round. Can you see? So right now I'm going to proceed. I chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So I insert into the second loop with triple crochet. Next loop, triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. So right now I'm going to chain 1, then I make my pod here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. So I chain 3. 1, 2, 3. I yarn over, I insert in this loop with triple crochet. So I proceed. 1, 2, 3. I insert where I make another cord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. 1, 2, 3. So I insert here with triple crochet. So I proceed, I chain another 3, 1 2 3. So I insert another pod, 1 2 3 4 5, then 6. 1 2 3, triple crochet. So this is how I'm going to go till I round up this. Now as you can see, I've completed the round. Can you see? So right now I'm going to proceed. So I'm going to insert another color. So I chain 3, 1 2 3. So right now I yarn over, I insert into the second loop with triple crochet, triple crochet, so right now I'm going to chain 3, 1 2 3. So I insert here in this loop with triple crochet, I chain 3, 1 2 3. Still in this same loop, triple crochet, I chain 3, 1 2 3, insert here, triple crochet, 1 2 3, triple crochet in the same loop, 1 2 3, insert here with triple crochet, 1 2 3, in this same loop, so this is how I'm going to go till I round up this. So as you can see, I've completed the round. Can you see? So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain 3, 1 2 3. So having chained 3, I insert into this second loop with triple crochet, next triple crochet, next triple crochet, so right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain 2, 1 2. So I make another pod, 1 2 3, 4, 5, then 6. So I chain 2, 1, 2. I yarn over, I insert here, triple crochet, I chain another 2, 1, 2. I make another port right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I chain 2, 1, 2. So I insert right here with triple crochet. So I proceed. I chain another 2, 1, 2. I make another port, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I chain 2, 1, 2. Then I insert here with triple crochet. So can you see? So till I complete this round. So as you can see, I've completed the round. Can you see? So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So having chain 3, I insert into the second loop with triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. So right now I'm going to insert here in this loop with triple crochet, then I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. I insert in this same loop, triple crochet. So I'm going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So right now I'm going to insert here with triple crochet, then I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. I insert in this same place with triple crochet. So I proceed, I chain 4 again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I insert here, triple crochet, I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. I insert in this same place with triple crochet. And you see, so this is how I'm going to go till I round it up. Now as you can see, I've completed the round. Can you see? So after this, now I'm going to insert each one pod as I have it on the base in this triangular loop. So by the time I'm done, I'm going to show it to you. Now as you can see, I've also completed the upper one. Can you see? So right now what I shall be doing is to start again with the white one in between. Now as you can see, here comes the end of this tutorial. Can you see the pattern? So beautiful. If you like this video, you can click on the liking button to appreciate this work. And if you are here to subscribe the channel, this is time for you to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button below, and immediately you hit on the notification bell so that you can have access to my videos. I thank you all for taking your time to watch this tutorial or this video. Till I come your way some other time, lest I forget, in case you have any question regarding this tutorial, you drop your question in the comment section. So till I come your way some other time, bye for now.